Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel SewitYourself. I'm using this measurement. You can change it according to your requirement. Today I'm going to show you how to cut and stitch the lehenga. For that I have taken a 2.5 meter net fabric and a satin fabric for giving lining. Now without any further delay, let's start cutting. Firstly, I will show you the draft in the paper. This is a 2-layer. Now I'm going to show you how to fold and cut the paper. This is the folded side. From this end, fold the paper to the other side. My hip measurement is 8.75 inch. Take a measuring tape and find where you will get 8.75 inch and mark that point. So this is the stitching point and this is the seaming allowance. Length of my skirt is 32 inches. So from this point, mark 32 inches. Then move the measuring tape till the other side. We'll join these points. Now I'm going to cut it. This is how it looks. Like this you will get a half circle. Similarly, I'm going to cut in the fabric. I folded the fabric off in length. So here I have 2 layers of fabric. Now hold one corner of lining and join it to the opposite end. You will get this kind of shape. Now on the top corner I will mark the waist, which will be 28 inch divided by 4 is 7 inch plus 1.75 inch is 8.75 inch. So I just mark a point where I will get 8.75 inch. Mark 1/4 inch for seaming allowance. From this point, I will mark the skirt length, which is 31 inch in my measurement, and I am adding 1 inch for seam allowance. So I mark a point at 32 inch. Mark this till the other end. I am joining these points. I am going to cut it. Similarly, I will cut in the main fabric. I have taken a piece of cloth to make belt. Belt length is 3.5 inches. Width of the belt is equal to the skirt waist measurement. So while you are cutting, check your waist measurement. I have cut the belt into 2 pieces. Similarly, I am trimming the main fabric. Now here the fabric is less for 2 pieces, so I am attaching some extra fabric according to the skirt height. I am placing the fabric here and going to give a stitch. With this, cutting is complete. Now let's start stitching. I have taken a lining fabric and a main fabric. Now I make a stitch at the waist. am finishing the bottom round for lining. To finish that, just double fold the seam allowance and make a stitch on the inner edge. I made a stitch at the bottom. I will attach the sides now. While attaching the sides, make sure the fabrics are even. Then stitch up to 6 or 7 inch. Then stitch the main fabric and the lining fabric separately. Stitch up to this point, then take your needle from the fabric and separate the lining fabric. Give a stitch only in the main fabric. I made a stitch on the main fabric. Now I will give a stitch on the lining by keeping the main fabric inside the lining fabric like this. I am stitching only on the lining fabric. I have finished attaching the sides now. I will attach the belt at the waist. I will join and stitch both the ends of the belt. Then I am trimming the excess fabric. Now just double fold the seam allowance and make a stitch on the inner edge. While stitching, leave 1 inch space to insert the elastic. I am inserting an elastic using the pin. Length of the elastic is hip size minus 3 inch. I am overlapping both the ends of the elastic and going to give a stitch. Secure the elastic by giving a stitch at the belt. I am giving a top stitch on the elastic now. I finished attaching the belt under the elastic. I have taken a lace. Now I will make a stitch at the bottom of the main fabric. With this, stitching is complete. Thanks for watching.